can fly very far only when you put a lot of muscles. And you need the origami paper like this. Fold it like this. Here to here on the middle, both sides. And then you put here to here. And then the same thing on the other side. And you see that top here? You put it on the top to middle. On the bottom here, on the bottom over here, you fold it down here. And then you leave a little bit, only a little bit space you have to. I didn't do it that well. You only need to leave a little bit space and then you fold it back up like this. And then you fold it like this, a little bit more. This place to this place. And you put it here to here. And you see the middle? It might not be that good, like mine is not that good, but it's okay. Because you're not letting anybody see it, you just tuck it in. And fold it like that. And done with the paper airplane, and it flies very far. Only when you push it. Bye! I'm done with the show.